This video will explain how AI is changing the jobs. What is AI in the workplace? Artificial intelligence means machines or software that can learn, analyze, and make decisions like humans, but much faster. In jobs, AI being used to automate tasks, analyze big amounts of data, and even help people work smarter. Now we will see how AI is changing jobs. First point is repetitive work is automated. AI can do tasks that are boring, repetitive, and time consuming. For example, data entry, sorting emails, answering basic customer questions. This saves time for humans so they can focus on more creative and important work. Second point is new jobs are being created. AI is not only replacing tasks but also creating new career opportunities. For example, AI trainers, data scientists, AI ethic experts, and robot engineers. These jobs didn't exist a few years ago. Third point is jobs are being transformed. In many careers, AI acts as a helper. Doctors use AI to read medical scans more accurately. Teachers use AI tools to personalize lessons for students. Farmers use AI to predict weather and crop growth. So the jobs remain, but the way they are done is changing. Fourth point is demand for new skills. Employers now look for people who can work with AI tools. Important skills include critical thinking to check AI's answers, creativity. AI cannot replace imagination, tech awareness, knowing how to use AI safely and effectively. Fifth point is some jobs are at risk. AI may replace certain jobs completely, especially where work is highly repetitive. For example, cashiers, telemarketers, basic clerical work. This is why learning new skill is important to stay prepared for changes. The big picture is AI is not stealing all jobs, but it is changing how jobs are done. Jobs that need human creativity, emotions, problem solving, and leadership are safe. People who learn new skills and adapt to AI will have more opportunities. The jobs AI replaces are cashiers, data entry clerks, telemarketers, basic clerical staff, and factory assembly line workers. Jobs AI creates are AI trainers, data scientists, AI ethics specialists, robot engineers, and machine learning developers. The jobs AI transforms. For doctors, AI helps to read scans. For teachers, AI personalizes lessons. For farmers, AI predicts crops or weather. For customer service agents, AI chatbots assist. For marketers, AI analyzes customer data. In short, AI automates repetitive tasks. AI creates new jobs that didn't exist before. AI transforms existing jobs by acting as a helper. New skills are needed to work with AI. Some jobs may disappear, but many more will evolve.